What's up guys, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech, and today I want to show you guys two products that I think will speed up your workflow if you're a content creator, cinematographer, or a photographer. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So the two products that I want to talk about is the Ulanzi Fast Claw and the Ulanzi Claw Quick Release Base. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased these items with my own money, so I will be giving my honest opinion. So Ulanzi has made some pretty good products, some of which I really do like. For example, their budget RGB pocket light that I will be linking in the description below. I will also put a card up here so you can click on it if you want to go to that video. The packaging of these devices is nothing special, just simple boxes. This Ulanzi Fast Claw is very innovative. The Fast Claw is made of metal and has a red lock button on the side that allows you to lock your camera onto it, which prevents accidents. There's also a bunch of 1/4 screw points on the bottom of the Fast Claw, which allows you to mount it however you want. So the Ulanzi Claw Quick Release Base also has Arco Swiss compatibility, allowing you to mount it in 90% of the places you'll be able to mount your Arco Swiss plates. This is perfect because you can either replace your Arco Swiss with the Ulanzi Quick Release Base or just add the Quick Release Base to your Arco Swiss plate. And I think that is the beauty of it. You don't have to choose one or the other. You can simply use both of them together. If you only have one camera, the Ulanzi Fast Claw allows you to quickly transfer your camera from a tripod to a slider or gimbal, making it easy for you to continue shooting on how or where you choose. And that's not even the best part. The best part is that they're cheap. The Ulanzi Fast Claw is $26.95 and the Ulanzi Quick Release Base is $16.95 on Amazon. I think that's a great price for the flexibility of how it can be used. Personally, I've been using the Ulanzi Fast Claw and Quick Release Base in my YouTube recording setup, and I find that they make the process a lot easier and faster. So I would recommend these two products to anyone that only has one camera that they use to record A-roll and B-roll, especially if they change angles or mounting points a lot. So that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.